This is a motivational desk calendar designed to add a positive touch to your everyday workspace. It's a perpetual daily flip calendar, so there are no dates to worry about. You can start using it any time of the year. Each day features a new motivational quote, making it a simple way to bring encouragement and inspiration into your routine. I like that it's easy to flip and quick to read, which makes it perfect for a desk, shelf, or home office. The compact design works well as desk decor without taking up much space, and it blends nicely with different styles, from modern to cozy work setups. It's something you can glance at during the day for a small mental boost. This makes a thoughtful gift idea for women, coworkers, or anyone who enjoys uplifting messages at work. It's especially nice for offices, classrooms, or shared workspaces where a little positivity goes a long way. If you're looking for an inspirational desk accessory that's simple, reusable, and meaningful, this motivational desk calendar is a great choice.